Hey folks, and welcome to this quick little update. I just wanted to film to keep you guys posted on the Panther that I started on the life build last week on Tuesday. As you can see, I made quite the progress with this Werk Panther. As you can see, I applied the A-Tag Zimrit all throughout the vehicle. Those darker areas and the lighter areas are the areas where the glue actually kind of crystallized behind the A-Tag. I'm not entirely happy, but you won't see this once paint goes on. I have to admit, I really like the kit, and it came together quite well. And the road wheels are falling off, as you can see. They are not glued in place. I kept them off. Sorry here, let me try to zoom in so you can see the nice Zimrit pattern there from A-Tag. Oops, sorry. Overall, lovely little piece of kit. Only thing left for me to do before we can get into the painting stages, and the stages that I so loathe right now, is, and let me move this out of the way so I can show you, this kit comes with Lincoln length tracks. And to help you assemble the Lincoln length tracks, they give you a jig like this. I already finished one of the track runs, and this is the empty jig just with the sprocket and the idler wheel attached to it. So these are very helpful. The problem that I came across is, in addition to something that I will tell you in a second, these. As you can see, you have to glue on the guide horns that come on a separate sprue, basically already in the required number. Let me zoom in so you guys can actually see how this works. So you can see the guide horns are attached to this sprue that you then glue onto the track link in its entirety. And I'm letting this sit for about a day, just so the glue can cure. The thing with Lincoln length tracks, and I hope you can see this with this, is sometimes because of the way you attach the tracks, if you glue them together too narrowly and you push them into each other like I did back here, it creates a bit of a strain in the front because you cannot fit in a proper link, but it's too hard for you to connect them at the end point. So yes, I have some, well, ugly looking areas in the track, but don't worry, I will be covering them with mud once I'm in the painting and weathering stage. And I actually already, well, closed the track, so to speak. They are glued together. I can still deattach the sprocket and deattach the idler, and then can paint them separately. As you can see back here, there's another one of those areas, but luckily you won't be seeing this as much because this will be sitting on the ground like this, and then you cannot see it. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of them. I prefer magic tracks because you both already have the, oops, see, just broke one. You either already have the guide teeth in place, and I don't know, I thought it was easier to work with them. I prefer, of course, metal tracks to both magic tracks and these. Metal tracks just give you the best finish. So I will be finishing the tracks, I guess, tomorrow, and once they are done, I might just paint this up rather quickly. I haven't made up my mind which of the marking options I want to go with. And then just go to town on weathering, just like do the basic stuff. Mud, dust, washes, streaks, oils, what have you. I still haven't figured out how I can do a proper weathering on the Zimrit. I will have to watch the video of Night Shift once it comes out. Martin, he does a great job with all of his builds, and what I could see from the pictures that he posted on his Patreon of his Tiger, he did a fantastic and very, very admirable job on his Zimrit on his Tiger. So once that comes out, I can hopefully source some inspiration for how to do it on this Panther. So yeah, that's it for this quick update. I hope you guys are doing well. Everyone is healthy. Stay safe, stay home. May the force be with you. Bye for now, and I'll see you soon. Just a quick addendum. As you can see, I have now finished both track runs, and the Panther is now ready for disassembly and paint and primer. I will probably fill some more gaps within the Zimmerit where the Zimmerit is not perfect with some putty, but other than that, it's now done. I don't want to attach the side skirts. I just don't think they look nice. I think it looks a lot nicer without them. And I don't really like the brush guards in the front either. So I will leave them off as well, just to add a bit more, how shall I say, life to this. And the track changing cable on the other side is also not on, and there's a reason for that. The towing eyelets on that track changing cable were so delicate and small that one of them just snapped on me while I was trying to assemble it. So, well, I messed that part up, so that's the reason why it's not on. So, yeah. I will now be taking my time to just, like, as you can see, there's, when I zoom in, you can probably see it better. There's a small gap here, which I will have to fill with some putty. Already did that around the turret edge and on the front, where the two plates meet. But other than that, yeah, that's it. And it's ready for paint. So, thank you for hanging in there, and for me to say goodbye for a second time in one video. So, I'll see you guys soon. Stay healthy, take care of yourself, and may the force be with you. Bye, guys.